Okay, I went and picked mushrooms earlier today, and this is what it is now. It's 25 degrees, snowing here in southeast Missouri. I'm going to show you how I prepare. One way I prepare these chicken of the woods. This is what I had left after I cleaned it. I cut a few pieces up just for the purpose of showing one way of doing this. There's a lot of ways you can do this chicken of the woods. Saute it, chicken and biscuits, or however you want to do it. There's actually a lot of recipes, but this one here is just an egg wash, and I sliced it pretty thin, and I got some flour that's seasoned up with salt and pepper, and this is actually coconut oil in here. So what I do is I just put that in the egg wash. In the egg wash there, drop it, season it, coat it with the flour, and just drop it in the oil. Try to get this right. Kind of hard to do this with the phone. First time I ever did this like this. But you'd be amazed how much this tastes actually like chicken. Hence, I guess, chicken of the woods. All right, let's let that cook up. Let's see. Apologize if I get my phone off and can't see it. Okay. Well, it smells good. like I said, this is just one way of doing it. It's really good. It's really good this way. It's quick and easy. You can see that pretty orange coming through. Don't take too awful long for these to cook up. I actually haven't been into cooking or hunting mushrooms for too awful long. Just a past, I don't know, year or so. But it's kind of become a passion to do it. You know, going out and collecting these wild edibles like this and bringing them home and preparing them and eating them, and just what I did is I got a book on Missouri mushrooms. It's actually written by Maxine Stone, I believe. You can order it through the Missouri Department of Conservation, and I learned the identity of all the mushrooms and stuff. Some of them I don't know yet, but I see extra ones, some out there that I don't know, so I don't pick them until I'm exactly for sure, you know, what I'm doing. But I definitely don't want to get a bad one. These are probably just about done. But that did make quite a big bowl. I think the rest of these I'm going to cut up a little bit, and I'm going to saute them down, season them up, and then I'm going to put them in bags. I'm going to put them in bags and put them in the freezer. And then I can get them out and put them in, you know, whatever I want to put them in that calls for mushrooms. I have a bunch of chanterelles in the freezer. they do smell really good. The taste and the texture of these, the texture is actually like chicken. You can't believe how good these are. If you haven't tried these, you need to get out and find you some and give them a try. They are delicious. They just got a really good flavor to them. So there it is. That's one way of cooking these up. You know, quick and easy way of cooking them up. And I think even kids would like them. They would think they was chicken, like a chicken fingers or chicken tenders or whatever you want to call them. I think they would really like them. They wouldn't know the difference, to be honest about it. So go out there and get you some. Give them a try. I'm telling you, you'll love them.